Hello everyone and welcome back to my online teaching platform. We have already evaluated this question under limit of rational functions. But let us look at how best we can evaluate it when we see it as an objective question, so that we are not going to spend more than let's say 1 minute 30 seconds on this particular question. So when you see it as an objective question, you can use differentiation to find the limiting value of the function as the input x approaches 2. Let us look at how best we can use the method of differentiation. So anytime you have it in this form, you just consider each of the parts. We have the numerator and that of the denominator. So you need to differentiate each part. So we are going to differentiate the numerator. Then after that, we also differentiate the denominator. So this becomes, it's going to be a bit lame. X squared minus 7x plus 10 all over x squared minus 4 as x approaches 2. So we are going to differentiate the numerator and that of the denominator. So it's going to be, so when you differentiate, it's going to be lame. Then we differentiate each of the terms in the numerator. So when you differentiate x squared, it's going to give us 2x. So we are going to get 2x. This is how we differentiate. I'm using the power rule. So I'll multiply the coefficient of the term here by the power of the variable. So 2 times the coefficient here is 1, and that will give us 2. Then you reduce the power by 1. So 2 minus 1 will give us 1. So there's no need for you to write x exponent 1. So we just write the x. So it becomes 2x. Then the same thing applies to negative 7x. When you differentiate negative 7x, we are going to get negative 7. Now, when you differentiate any constant, that will give us 0, so plus 0. Then all over. Now, let us now, sorry, there should be 7x over here. Sorry, 7 rather, not 7x. So here should be 7. All right. So we have 2x also here. All right. Now, all divided by the denominator to be differentiated. So we are going to get 2x. When you differentiate 2x squared, we are going to get 2x. Then when you differentiate any constant, it's going to give us 0. So we are going to get minus 0. So nothing is there again as x approaches 2. So we continue to work on it. So we are going to get everything equal to ln of 2x minus 7 as x approaches 2. Then we divide it by 2x minus 7 over, we have 2x over it. All right. So you can now substitute 2 into the expression, since 2 times 2 as the denominator will not give us 0. So we can do the substitution and you will get a defined value. So we are going to get 2, then bracket open, 2 here, minus 7 all over here to be 2 multiplying 2. All right. And this will give us, so 2 times 2 will give us 4. So we are going to get 4 minus 7 all over 4. And this will give us negative 3 out of 4. So the answer is the same as the one that we use the first method, where you are supposed to factorize, then you simplify before you substitute. But we can equally use differentiation. So we just differentiate the numerator, then also differentiate the denominator. Then after that, you can simplify and also put in the value of x to get the limiting value of x, sorry, of the function as the input x approaches 2. So this is the same as what we had under the first one. Thank you for watching.